There are many spaces that have tools and resources you can use to create wonderful and awesome things. Before you use these spaces, it is imperative you learn and understand the safety rules. These rules serve to protect you, the user, from harming yourself, those around you, and the equipment you are using. It is important while you are in these spaces to make safety the first consideration in every situation. PPE, or personal protective equipment, includes everything from safety glasses to laser shields to proper shoes, pants, and clothing required while using specific tools and equipment. Remember to always use correct PPE, and if you're not sure what to use, ask. Hand tools are commonly used on many projects and are anything ranging from saws to wrenches. When using a hand tool, ensure that all proper PPE is available, in good condition, and in place before beginning work. Ensure all clothing, hair, jewelry, and other objects are clear of the work area before using a tool. Refer to the manufacturer's manual for all operating procedures if you do not know how to use a tool. Use the appropriate tool for the job, and avoid applying excessive force, as this will result in slipping. Remember, screwdrivers and files are not to be used for prying or chiseling. Use the proper size and type of screwdriver or wrench, and never strike a hardened steel tool with a hammer. Before and after using a tool, inspect it and report any damage to a staff member. When you're done, place tools in the appropriate location, taking care to return them to their cases and replace any protective coverings. When using a tool with a blade, like a knife or a saw, take care to cut away from your body. Wear cut-resistant gloves and always use appropriate work-holding strategies like clamps, vices, and non-slip mats. Never work on an insecurely held workpiece. Dispose of any replaceable blades and sharp objects in the appropriate container. Power tools come in many shapes and sizes and can enable a user to complete a variety of tasks otherwise impossible. If you are ever unsure of the operation of a tool or what PPE may be required, refer to the user manual of the device or ask a staff member. Whether it's a hot glue gun or a jigsaw, it is always important to aim away from yourself to ensure your safety, protect the tool, and protect anyone around you in case you lose control. If your tool has a cord, make sure it is not a tripping hazard for yourself or others. Let the tool do the work. Never force a power tool in an attempt to speed things up. It will result in damage to the tool and possibly cause injury. Rotary power tools include Dremel tools, drills, and drill presses. It is important that your workpiece be properly held in place. Make sure not to get anything wrapped around the axle of one of these machines while they are running, as it can injure you and everyone around you. Never try to stop a spinning machine with your hands, and always make sure to use the correct speeds for the material you are using. Cutting tools include jigsaws, oscillating tools, and other powered saws. When using these tools, use manipulators, clamps, and vices to ensure your workpiece is properly secured. Keep your fingers and other body parts away from the cutting blades at all times. Hot tools include 3D printing pens, heat guns, and hot glue guns. The material that comes out of these devices are at high temperatures and can burn you. When you're done using a power tool, let it come to a complete stop or cool down. Then turn it off and disconnect it from its power source. It is important that your actions are safe not only for yourself, but those around you. Keep your work area clean and free of loose objects, trash, or other debris. A clean work area is a safe work area. If you are lifting something heavy, make sure to use correct lifting techniques to prevent harm to yourself. When interacting with others in the spaces, be courteous and kind, as it creates a more inviting and creative atmosphere in the space. Be safe, have fun, and enjoy using our resources.